Hi everyone, I'm Amy from the Cauldron and welcome to Vlogmas. This is my first ever Vlogmas and I'm hoping to do every day, but I'm not going to get too worried if I miss a day or two here and there. And I'm hoping that this little series will give an insight into my life in the run up to Christmas. Today I'm going to start making Christmas gin. I make this for my mum most years, so let's get started. Every year I make a different flavoured gin for my mum. This year I'm going with orange, ginger and cinnamon. So the first thing I need to do is peel this orange, trying really carefully not to get any of the pith, because that pith is really bitter. My jar that I'm going to be infusing this gin in, so it has been sterilised. So I'm going to put the rind of the orange, the two oranges in there, and I'm going to juice them now as well and add the juice. Those two oranges have provided about 250 millilitres of orange juice. In it goes. And now the ginger. This is about 45 grams of ginger. So add as much or as little as you like. And the best way that I have found to peel ginger is just getting a teaspoon and just scraping off that outside. It does a great job. Before I used to use a knife and you end up losing half of the ginger and little bits will come off, but overall you save most of this ginger. Now my mum really loves ginger, so I'm going to be generous with this. If you're not as keen on ginger as my mum, then only use a little bit of fresh ginger, because this can be quite potent. Now when I do the oranges, it's always best to zest first and then juice. Otherwise, if you juice and then try to zest it, it just doesn't work, because the skins just fall apart and you're ended up with a big mess. There you go. I've peeled that, and that's now 33 grams. I'll turn it around, so it's 33 grams. So I've only lost just over 10 grams of ginger, which isn't bad at all. Carefully chop this. Don't need to make tiny, don't need to make the ginger tiny, just chop it up into pieces. There we go, in it goes. Oops. And now I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4, just to sweeten it up a bit. Look at that. And now, time to add the gin. I have a litre of gin here. You can use any gin that you like. I don't actually like gin, so I don't know what's good and what's not. I just know this is one that my mum has always had. So that's the one I've got. And I've got 4 sticks of cinnamon. Just stick it in there with that. Okay. Give it a good old mix. There we go. Now I haven't actually used all the gin. You can see there's still some gin left in that bottle. So that can just stay in the bottle, and I will add, this will all go back in the bottle when I give this to my mum. So I'm not going to waste this gin. It's just going to stay in there. Now I can clip this up, leave it somewhere dark and cool. And every couple of days, I'm just going to give this a little stir, get things moving, make sure there's no mold or anything growing on this. And this will be ready by Christmas. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And leave a comment and let me know what you thought. Have you ever made infused spirits before? It's a fun way to give someone a homemade gift. Obviously, only if they and you are over the drinking age in your country. I'm in the UK and it is 18 in this country, and very obviously I am over 18 and so is my mum. Even though I did get ID'd when I bought that gin, it did make my day, but I certainly don't look 20 years younger than I actually am. Tune in tomorrow for another video. Fingers crossed. Thank you for watching.